Hey guys, what's up? It's Unbox Reality. We've got a Beretta PX4 Storm 9mm full size in the studio today, so we're going to open it up, take a look and see what's inside. It's in a cardboard packaging. Got a couple labels on the outside saying exactly what it is. You can see right there, Beretta PX4 Storm 9mm. Alright, so opening up the packaging, there's going to be a hard shell case that has everything in it. So inside you could take a look. Underneath this little flap here, you have your instruction manual. It's a big manual, there's a lot of stuff in there. If you do buy this pistol, definitely suggest reading it. Also included in there is your warranty on the pistol. You got the pistol itself. You're going to have two 17-round magazines. You can take a look at it there, showing the 17 rounds. You're going to have a loader. And this pistol actually comes with 3 different size grips. There's a small, medium, large. The pistol comes with the medium on it. So that gives you a good look at the other 2 sizes. And you also got this cool little stand for the pistol. And that is everything that's in the box. Some of these models I've heard do come with a lock. Mine did not. Not sure, maybe Beretta had some laying around that when they shipped some out with some of these pistols. Alright, so a closer look at the handgun. Everything is black. You got a manual safety on it. Just goes up and down. If you see red, that means it's live. It's ready to fire. It's got a nice little 3-point sight. Very easy to aim, very easy to line up. I actually like these sights a whole lot. The hammer, you can pull it back. It does reduce the travel on the trigger. And pulling the hammer back, you can see how the hammer strikes the firing pin. You turn the safety back on, it rolls it back up, and it releases the hammer. Show that to you a couple times. So this pistol also has something interesting. It's a rotating barrel. You can kind of see the rotating action a little bit here. Beretta does this to reduce recoil. So to tear down the pistol, you got these 2 little clips on each side. You just pull those down, slide the bottom half off, and that'll get you a good look there at the innards of the bottom half of the pistol. Now this pistol is very easy to tear down. All you do is take the block off right there, and that gets you a good look at that rotating barrel. And the barrel actually pops right out pretty easily. Here's a good look at that. Now to put it back in, it just slides right in there, and it's very easy to put it back together. It won't go back in if it's not lined up the proper way. So once that's in there, the block and spring back in, and you slide it back together. That's it. Now to release the magazine, there's a button just behind the trigger. All you do is press on it, and it releases the magazine nice and easy. Alright, so guys, that is everything in the box. You got your pistol, 2 magazines, total of 3 grips, a loader, stand, and then your paperwork.